This is my habitat resource find for today. This is a thing. It's a spinner motor. It's 4 blades. There were 2 of these. The other one I didn't get, but this one I did. And I got a second fan, which I'll show you in a minute. I don't know what the model is. It's maybe SMC? Hang on. I have no idea, but I can always look after the video. Anyways, let's give it a demonstration. Here's the light. And I am using a LED in there. Now for the fan, starting on low. I don't have an amp meter. I have like a little volt battery tester thing, whatever those are called. But if any of you know how to hook it up to the fan or whatever, please let me know. And, yeah, one of the blades are out of whack. Actually, my board isn't aligned right, so that's why it's swaying freely. That's a nice low. And I'm going to do a airflow test. Okay. Now to medium. I think these are no, I was gonna say CG Georgian or whatever those are called. Yeah, it's moving good air. What the heck? Yeah, see, you can see the chains are going. Okay, and here's high. Okay. Can you see it better with the light off? It's not a fast fan I was expected. And I'm gonna do an airflow test. I don't feel anything from here. Yep, I don't feel anything from here. I am feeling some, but not a whole lot. Yeah, I'm feeling a good breeze. There's the light again. And we're going to do a spin down time. If you're wondering where the song is coming from, I have my radio playing. Yeah, so there was a Hampton Bay of 52-inch blades, and there was a 2 Hampton Bay, well, 1 Hampton Bay Littleton. I guess there were like 3 of them, but yeah. They have a Hampton Bay gloss fan. Oh, it's beautiful, guys. And he had 2 of these, one with a bent bracket, And they have a studio series, white and brass, but I didn't take it home with me. They had a hunter fan with brass. You probably guys see my Habitat video. But yep, got 2 fans. That was my Habitat restore find. Well, they had more than that, but whatever. Okay. Light off. Here's low on reverse. When I was sitting under it, it didn't have no bearing noises because that was a a little bit fast, slow spin down. I did check the capacitor. It was good. It was flat on both sides. It was good. Yeah. Oh. I was making sure my phone was still recording. Because I did delete some of my videos, so it should be good. Yeah, like I said, one of blade brackets are out of alignment, but we can always balance them later. And it is wobbling or swaying. But not in a bad way, just like in a slight way, I should say. And it is a flush mount fan, by the way. I'm surprised these fans aren't fast. I think they're supposed to be fast fans. I don't know. Somebody might tell me. And we're going to hyperdrive. And yes, I'm gonna do an airflow on reverse too. The light chain is a little bit stiff, but that's alright, I guess. And yes, that's a blue LED. Huh. I thought these fans were noisy. Apparently, they're not. Huh. I am feeling air from here. Feeling a little bit of air over here. Now if I go to my other fan, I feel it over here. Now if I go to my rackets, I don't feel it from here. If I go here, I don't feel it. If I go a little bit close, I don't feel it at all. So I'm guessing these fans have an airflow pattern. Okay, we'll do a spin down one more time. Whoopsie. Yeah, I thought these spinner fans would be a little bit faster But this one has a slow spin down. I will keep it on. I'm surprising though. And I did tighten up the blades, but and I am using L's flute holder. If you saw my 36-inch Harbor Breeze. This is a great plug. I don't have that annoying see-through plug or whatever. Alright guys, this is my video of this 42-inch, I guess, spinner fan. If anybody knows what the actual name it is, please let me know. I'm going to give this to my cousin. Alright, this is the video of this spinner fan, and thanks for watching. Bye!